After he's sealed down, make sure you squash it in, seal all the holes. This is another vital thing. You get a lot of people saying, no, you don't need to do that. So when you're putting it on, see how I'm wrapping it that way? You know why I'm wrapping it that way? Because if you don't, and you wrap it the other way, see when you screw that fitting on, screwing that fitting on, so that fitting's screwing on like that. So when you're screwing it on, you're tightening that, yeah? So you're tightening that. So if you wrapped it on the other way, and you're screwing it on, you would unscrew it. So this is vital. So let's just get this on properly. Yeah. Okay, good. Like that. I like to do a few round it. Like so. Snap it off. Make sure there's nothing inside the pipe. Then what you have to do is, reason why we're doing this is people say, oh yeah, that olive stays. That olive might stay, but it don't stay with people swinging off shower. Yeah. So you're always better off. Push your olive straight into it. Your PTFE tape round that, your olive round that. Tighten that up. And bish bash bosh, you will have trouble-free showering. What we do, pull the olive out. The reason why we're pulling the olive out is because when we wrap the PTFE tape around there, we want to push it back in and it'll form on that. It will hold, but when people start messing about with it, I like to see how long it holds. I'm only talking from experience, and that's it. Bish bash bosh, don't forget like, share and follow. And then when you go to tighten these up, what you want to do is get a pair of grips on there, and then get that, pull that down, pull this hand down, pull that hand tight, yeah? Don't over tighten it. Should tell, don't over tighten it, because you'll end up popping the olive and it'll leak. Squash the silicone in like that, and it's beautiful. That shower will just fit straight on. I'm going to clean all that up round that, screw my cap on. This is my best jump, I shouldn't wear it for work, you know what I mean? That's it. Get that perfect like that, looking round. I'm going to get some cleaning in, clean these pencil marks off, and do the other one, shower, screw straight on. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Then what you do, screw this last one on, and as you can see on this, always make sure your pipe is sat inside that fitting, yeah? Because if it's not good. And then, if you have got your first fix bang on, your second fix should go hot, cold, cold always left. No, I'm lying. Cold always right. Tell you what, I just don't know how I get myself that money, you know what I mean? See how loose that fitting screw's on? That is because we work to precision like a machine. Never ever get a pair of grips on these, ever. These only want to be just more than hand tight, just one notch, that's it, it's perfect. Showers on, bish bash bosh, don't forget to like, share and follow. And remember, sometimes in life, you will have a challenge. In that challenge, what you have to do is overcome that challenge. Always think outside the box. But before you're thinking outside the box, before you're prepping your wall, before you're prepping your pipe, make sure it's bang on. Because if that's not bang on, this ain't going to be bang on. This ain't going to be bang on. And nothing's going to be bang on. Don't forget to like, share and follow. See, daft as it seems. So the shower's on, rails on for the glass. But see this gap here? When we fit all these units here along here now, it's going to be that tight in this bathroom. So what you want to do is, we put the rail up for the glass. The glass can just go in. Shower's done. The rad, I'm going to need to do the rad So I'll do the rag before the units come in, then I'll do the units, then we'll do the glass, and then we'll do the floor. It's going to be tight, very, very tight. Very tight. So, in fact, I might do the floor first before I do the glass. We'll get the units in. Make sure, see these holes where they come through, make sure you seal them all. I've put some foam in them to seal all the air gaps coming up, because you don't want any cold spots coming up into the toilet or into the sinks, because you get condensation. Once you get condensation, it's a bit of a nightmare, you can't get rid of it. Always upstairs for drinking, downstairs for dancing. Don't forget to like and share and follow MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Right later, I says I'd do a resort of pipe out, because it used to go along there and down there. How it never froze, I just do not know. So now what we're going to do is freezing his rocks off. Going to clean it up. If you're going to have a little nib on it like this, on this occasion, on this outside tap, yeah, what you want to do is you want to have the pipe, a little bit of pipe, dangling down like that. You know why we dangle it down like that? Because when we turn the stop tower, oh, it's just like a job in town. When you turn the isolator off inside and you open the tap, the water can run out. If you have it going upwards like that, when you turn the tap on, you still got the water jammed in there. If it's going to freeze, that's where it's going to freeze. Do you know what I mean?
We only deal in facts, not fiction.
We only deal in fact, not fiction. And look what my mate's done. That's really going to be a lot of good, that, isn't it now? Huh? What have you got to say to me? Just speak to the camera.
Just find something to moan about every day.
Speak to, come on lads, it's raining. That is grit sand. And you put all my tools in it.
You know grit's a water deterrent, don't you?
Right then. What you have to do is get it right, commando. And this is 101 hour solder, lads. Bomb. Cool that down. Boom! Screw it up there with my 6mm towel bit. This pass gloss, job done. Off inside now and get a heater on. Do you know what I mean? She's wet. And then with markers holes, 6mm towel bit, which you can buy off me. $6mm towel bit, what you can buy off me. Just have to put it in the drill, correct them under. Got nice and clean that does. That hole. See how nice and clean it does it? Watch this right on this lip here. Oh, it's just like a job in town. And you can buy these from my TikTok shop. Not from my TikTok shop, from the PayPal. On front of my page, 15 quid a pack with delivery of your address. Now I guarantee SDS bit won't do that. SDS bit, that brick would be falling apart. I mean, these holes are already here. We're just making an omelette look spotless. We're making fried eggs look tasty. So before we screw that in, just going to pop that out. Oh, that's tight. Oh, that's tight. You know why that is? Because that is right against the tile in the other room. And bend it a little bit, but it's bang on. Just need an extension, which I have got in my little skyrocket pocket. And then we'll put this last screw in. My mate will go in there, show him how good that measuring is.
Nice. Splash, splash, splash.
Stanley knife. Let's finish this off. Right, and then bring camera back round.
Here's Johnny.
And there you go, we'll cement that back up. Leave that little tape a bit further out so you don't get it. In fact, we'll silicone that. And then when the tap's turned off in there, you turn this on. The water runs out, bish bash bosh, job done. Don't forget to like, share and follow.